Here are two interesting facts about the Boeing 777, one of the most popular and technologically advanced airplanes in the world. The first airplane fully designed on a computer. The Boeing 777 was the first commercial airliner to be entirely designed using 3D modeling software. Before that, engineers relied on paper drawings, the best-selling wide-body aircraft from Boeing. Since its first flight in 1994, Boeing has sold over 2,100 aircraft of the 777 series, making it the most successful wide-body airliner in the company's history.